Hello. Hello. Oh yes, I'll come outside. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Hopefully he doesn't cancel. Got the last one in.
Now it's raining.
No, you can keep it. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. We made it out of the rain. We're at St. Thomas Basilica, and luckily there's some cover here to wait it out. That was probably the scariest ride. We've taken a lot of autos in India, and that was the only one that my heart was like jumping in my chest.
It was like all gas, no brakes the whole time. And it was like car, like squeezing through cars, like motorcycle, like didn't matter. Like I thought we were gonna get an accident like probably 20 times. 20 times. I was like it's every like 30 seconds. It's like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Luckily, the rain at least slowed us down, and now we're here. I believe this basilica was built in the 15th century by the Portuguese. It's much bigger than I thought that it would be.
Yeah, this is, I guess we saw one in Kerala and it was probably half or a quarter of the size almost of this one's pretty big.
You think?
Yeah.
I guess we didn't go inside of that one, right?
Yeah.
So it's a little...
Yeah, maybe it's probably half the size.
Yeah, this one's very big. I feel like the mosquitoes are going to be out now that it rained.
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you because I always get bit first.
Where are we going?
To the beach.
Should we cross? Well, maybe we could cross up here. It's like a huge puddle right there. It's very windy. I don't know if it's because it's just storms. We're at Gandhi Beach, and then we're gonna walk down towards Marina Beach because someone told us that this beach isn't quite as nice as the other one. So we're gonna keep walking. Although this beach really looks okay to me. I guess we were just at the Mumbai beach, which was completely covered with trash. So this one seems quite nice in comparison. There is a rainbow though. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's like faint out in the distance there.
I didn't even see that. This actually seems like a pretty nice beach. I mean, probably when like they got all the shops and stuff open, like you can get some food and hang out. Like,
It's a very big beach.
yeah, it is really big. It's very like deep. We've seen a few of these guys fishing. I think he's got a net. He's gonna throw it out there and maybe catch some small minnows or some fish right off the beach there. Oh wow.
Whoa.
Crabs? Big little crabs?
Whoa. Many.
Oh, wow. I guess that guy wanted to show us his crabs that he caught. He's crab fishing. But the crabs here, those crabs were like very perpendicular. They didn't look like. It looked like a tube-shaped crab, you know?
Tube crab.
Yeah, tube crab. These are all fishing boats all up and down the beach here. This looks like I was trying to figure out, it almost looks like a fishing boat that you like stand on, and they have that stick to paddle and then put their nets out. That's kind of cool. I haven't really ever seen a boat like that before. There's Beach Babe up there. It's like Baywatch. I said it's like Baywatch over here.
Oh, me?
Yeah. Double beach fun fact for you today. It's not about the beach, but it's about Chennai. So first fun fact, Chennai is considered a medical tourism hotspot, and it is the health capital of India.
Really?
Yeah. And then second fun fact, Chennai is also considered the Detroit of India, because the majority of cars in India are made in Chennai.
Detroit.
Yeah, Detroit.
What's in Detroit?
Detroit has all the car manufacturers in the U.S.
I didn't know that, so
Yeah.
that's a triple fun fact for me.
Yeah, triple fun fact.
In Detroit, really?
Yeah, Detroit. I think, unfortunately, the Gandhi statue is within the construction. They have all this construction in front of it. I don't know what they're building here. Oh, maybe the metro. Well, there it is. A little disappointed. It looks like it's got a bird nest in there. It's got like the construction all around it, and then there's a big seagull's nest like built in the legs of it, and it's got bird poop all over it. It looks like it's seen better days.
The Gandhi statue.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.